Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring one of the most beautiful places in Montreal, Jardin Botanique de Montréal. We started our walk from Guido-Nincheri Park, a small green spot right next to the Olympic Stadium. From there, it's just a short, pleasant walk to the Botanic Garden entrance, and already the views are so peaceful. As soon as you walk in, everything slows down, the noise of the city disappears, and you are surrounded by nature. Tall trees, colorful flowers, and quiet walking path. This place is huge. It covers over 75 hectares, with more than 20 tempt gardens and thousands of plant species. Even though we couldn't explore everything, the paths we saw were absolutely stunning. We started just wandering around the main path, taking in the scenery. The weather was perfect, warm, sunny and calm. Every corner looks different, sometimes like a forest trail, sometimes like a perfectly designed garden. Natalie was taking pictures non-stop. Every flower and tree looks like a work of art. One of the most peaceful spots we found was the Japanese garden. It's simple and elegant, with wooden bridges, stone lanterns, and calm pond filled with koi fish. We spent a while just sitting there, listening to the sound of the water and the wind through the trees. It's a place that really makes you slow down and breathe. Next, we explore the Chinese garden, completely different in style, full of color and intricate details. The red bridges, pavilions, and reflection in the water make it look like a painting. It's one of those places where every step feels like a photo opportunity. Even though we weren't there during the Latin festival, you can imagine how magical it must look when it lights up at night. After that, we just walked around, exploring smaller paths and hidden corners of the garden. There are sculptures, fountain, and little rest area where you can just sit and enjoy the view. We didn't go inside the greenhouses this time, but even outside, the variety of plants and flowers is incredible. After walking for a while, we found a quiet spot to rest and enjoy the moment. It's one of those places where you don't need to do much, just sit, listen, and enjoy being surrounded by nature. Sometimes the best part of traveling is slowing down and taking it all in. Looking back, this was such a peaceful and refreshing experience. Jardin Botanique isn't just about plants, it's about atmosphere. Every garden has its own mood, its own rhythm. Our favorite spot was definitely the Japanese garden, but honestly, the entire park is a work of art. If you visit in Montreal, definitely add Jardin Botanique to your list. It's beautiful escape from the city, calm, green, and full of life. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.